Good morning everyone. Today I will gonna talk about students' academic stress. Academic stress is the negative emotional response that students experience. Take a look at this image. A student studying, trying to focus, the pressures of exams like quiz, deadlines. It's a lot of handle, and sometimes it can feel like stress, like this image. Next is causes. This is about understanding academic stress. It cause and its impact in our lives. We'll explore strategies and tools that can help us manage academic stress effectively so we can thrive in our studies and achieve our goals. Causes. Academic stress can be caused by various high expectations, time constraints, and fear of failure. Now, let's talk into the roots of causes. Cause of academic stress. Academic stress manifests in a range of physical and mental issues like including anxiety, depression, headaches, stomach problems, and sleep disturbance. This is the factors that contribute to academic stress. Like, parang yung mga ibang slide din naman na magkakaparehas like high high expectations, time constraints, zero. So this is the challenges of academic stress. First is the heavy workloads. Having lots of homework, projects, and exams can make students feel stressed and overwhelmed. Second is high expectation. Like this is feel pressures to do well in the school from themselves, their parents, their teachers, which can make them feel stress. Time constraints. So this like have limited time to finish their school works, which can be stressful, especially when the deadlines is again, like ganon. And next is fear of failure. Like this is feel anxious about failing a class or not meeting expectations, which can be a big source of stress. High expectation may feel pressure to balance their schoolworks with social activities and other commitments, which can be tough and stressful. Financial concerns. Who are the students who are struggling financially may experience extra stress related to money problems like paying their tuitions um, and other expenses. This slide talk about copying mechanism for academic stress. It lists several strategies that students can use to manage stress, such as time management, seeking help from teachers or classmates, practicing relaxation, and etc. This slide emphasizes the importance of identifying the source of stress and developing healthy ways to manage it. In this slide, explain why managing academic stress is important. It ways that learning how to manage stress can help students do better in school, improve their mental and physical health, and reduce the risk of dropping out or having the other negative outcomes. It also says that learning to manage stress can help students develop healthy ways to cope with stress throughout their lives. And this is the last slide. Let's talk about defines academic stress as a common issue among students can have significant effect on their mental and physical well-being. This slide includes by emphasizing the importance for students to identifying the source of their stress and develop healthy ways to managing it. Thank you.